Hi, Chapter 7 From a Kingdom to Empire to an Empire. Scrolling through, see you have to first do the MCQs and then you come to the chapter. See all the names wherever it is mentioned. The dynasty of Chandra, Chandragupta, his son Bindusara, or somewhere it is Bimbisara, Bindusara's son Asoka. So these are very important. Mm. Mauryan Empire, before Ashoka's empire, we talk about Samrat Ashoka or the emperor. So you have to see the where to where it is spread. So you have to mention the names of what you see in this map, and very somebody who can recall or remember these maps can do very good answer writing. The chapter speaks about various governance mechanism, taxes mechanism, the emperor, the story about Palking, Kalinga war, what would have happened, various sources from where it is mentioned, how Ashoka spread the message of Buddhism, where and all he spread it. So the chapter, if summarized, can be summarized as historical significance of the lion capital. The lions on the Indian currency and coins are inspired by the Ashokan lion capital of Sarnath, carved on the top of massive stone pillar. Ashoka's rule Asoka, one of the greatest emperors, inscribed his edicts on the pillar and rock surfaces throughout his empire. His grandfather Chandragupta Maurya founded the Mauryan Empire over 2300 years ago. Chanakya's role Chandragupta's success was guided by Chanakya, also known as Kautilya, whose ideas were compiled in the book Arthashastra, detailing governance, politics, and economics. Dynasties and Mauryan dynasties and the Mauryan dynasty. Definition of dynasty. A dynasty refers to a sequence of rulers from the same family. The Mauryan dynasty consisted of three important rulers Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, his son, and Asoka. Chandragupta Maurya, founder of the Mauryan Empire, which spanned a large portion of India. The Mauryan Empire's geography, major cities included Patliputra, Takshila, and Ujjain. Takshila served as a gateway to the northwest, while Ujjain connected North and South India. Diverse population. The empire was home to people with different languages, foods, and clothing habits. Villages were occupied by farmers, herders, while forests were inhabited by those collecting produce and hunting. Difference between kingdom and empire. Size and resources. Empires are larger than kingdoms and require more resources. Emperors need to manage larger armies and have more officials to collect taxes and administer the empire. Ruling an empire. Ashoka's empire was divided into provinces, each ruled by governors. The emperor controlled the core region around Patliputra directly, where taxes were collected and officials ensured order. Tribute system. Tribute versus taxes. Unlike regular taxes, tribute was collected from people in less controlled areas wherever possible. It included valuable goods such as gold, timber, honey, elephants, especially from forest regions. Megasthenes, description of Patliputra. Court of Chandragupta Maurya. Megasthenes, a Greek ambassador, described the grandeur of Chandragupta's royal processions guarded by armed women and his paranoia about being assassinated. City of Patliputra. The city was grand with 570 towers, 64 gates, and houses built of wood and mud brick. The king's palace was surrounded by gardens and enclosures for birds. Ashoka's transformation. Kalinga War. The war against Kalinga was a turning point in Ashoka's life. The immense bloodshed led Ashoka to renounce violence and embrace the spread of Dhamma, a form of moral conduct. Ashoka's edict, his inscriptions written mainly in Prakrit and the Brahmi script, communicated his regret over the Kalinga War and his desire to rule through compassion and non-violence. Asoka's Dhamma. Philosophy. Asoka's Dhamma was not based on the worship of gods or sacrifices. It was about promoting non-violence, respect for elders, kindness to slaves and servants, and compassion towards all creatures. Problems Asoka addressed: religious conflicts, sacrificing animals, ill treatment of slaves and servants, quarrels within the families and among neighbors, spread of Dhamma. Ashoka appointed Dhamma Mahatmas, officials, to spread his message and sent his son Mahendra and daughter Sanghamitra to Sri Lanka to spread Buddhism. Asoka's contribution to society, infrastructure development. Asoka constructed roads, dug wells, and built rest houses. He also ensured medical treatment for both humans and animals. International outreach. Asoka sent emissaries to distant lands such as Syria, Egypt, Greece, advocating for his principles of nonviolence and respect for other religions. Asoka's lasting legacy, influence on Indian culture. The lion capital from Sarnath became the national emblem of India, and the principles of Dhamma influenced generations to come. Brahmi script. The Brahmi script used in Asoka's inscriptions evolved into many modern Indian scripts. So, this is what the chapter summarizes into. Thank you.